Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can put clickable link on image in Canva. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app, and you can see I have opened one project here, presentation. So if you want to put the link on image, then you need to just come to the page where you have image and just select that image like this. Okay, and now we need to go in this three dot option, go to the link, or you can simply click Ctrl plus K, then this link option will be open. So here you can put that outside link like youtube.com, or you can copy paste the link, or you can simply link your document within your Canva. Okay, so here just you can see there is a document you have in Canva. You can just link it. Here the folder you have, you can just link it, then this document will be linked to this image. Okay, or you can simply put the any website name like this. Okay, now okay, so here into more, just put as a link, don't put make it embed. Okay, now just click done. Now you can see this image has a link. Now people, if someone click on it, it will be open. Okay, so now when you complete your project, you need to download as a PDF or PPT. Okay, here we can see PDF option. Okay, don't click on that Flatter and other. So if you click Flatter, then this this image link won't work. Okay, so don't download as a PNG or any other format. You have only one option, two options, that you can download as a PDF or as a PPT. If you download as a JPG or PNG, that clickable link won't work. Okay, and there is a one option you can, if you are using your PDF or presentation in any website, you can embed it on your website page. What you can do, just go to the share, go to the see all, and here you can see the embed, and here you can embed it. Here the code, you can HTML code, you can copy it and put on your on your that website root file. Okay, then this project will be embed, and you can simply click, you can, the image also clickable. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.